Ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat watermelon every day? Welcome to a journey where we explore the surprising health benefits of this refreshing, sweet, and juicy summer staple. Far from being just a delicious treat, watermelons are powerhouses of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. In this video, we'll delve into the amazing impacts of consuming watermelon daily, from hydration benefits to its nutrient richness and antioxidant properties. Prepare to be amazed by the power of this deceptively simple fruit. First off, watermelon is a hydration hero. This refreshing fruit boasts a whopping 92% water content, making it a deliciously effective way to keep your body hydrated. Now, hydration isn't just about quenching your thirst, it's the lifeblood of many critical bodily functions. It's vital in maintaining body temperature, aiding in smooth digestion, and playing a key role in flushing out toxins. So, next time you feel thirsty, why not reach for a slice of watermelon? Did you know watermelon is a nutrient powerhouse? This vibrant, juicy fruit is bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. Firstly, it's packed with vitamins A and C, two key players in supporting a healthy immune system. Vitamin A is particularly beneficial for our eyes, helping maintain their health and supporting good vision. Not to be overlooked, potassium and magnesium are also found in abundance in watermelons. These minerals are essential for heart health. Potassium helps control blood pressure and heart rate by balancing out the negative effects of salt and maintaining fluid balance. Magnesium, on the other hand, is instrumental in over 300 enzyme reactions in the human body, including those responsible for regulating heart rhythms. So, the next time you're snacking on a slice of watermelon, remember, you're not just indulging in a sweet treat. You're also feeding your body with a cocktail of nutrients that bolster your immune system, promote heart health, and support eye health. With watermelon, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're also nourishing your body. Watermelon is also a champion when it comes to antioxidants. You see, this delightful summer fruit is packed with lycopene, a potent antioxidant that's known for its health-boosting properties. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about antioxidants? Well, these little powerhouses protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Think of them as the body's personal bodyguards, always on the lookout for troublemakers. And there's another amazing fact about lycopene: it's what gives watermelon its vibrant red color. Yes, that's right. The more intense the red, the higher the concentration of lycopene. So every time you're enjoying a slice of watermelon, not only are you delighting in its sweet, refreshing taste, but you're also loading up on some serious antioxidant action. So, with every bite of red, juicy watermelon, you're also fighting off harmful free radicals. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Well, let's circle back to our key points. We've learned that watermelon is a hydration powerhouse, boasting a whopping 92% water content. This makes it an excellent choice for keeping your body hydrated, especially during those hot summer months. Not only that, but watermelon is also jam-packed with essential nutrients. It's rich in vitamins A and C, as well as potassium and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy body. Let's not forget the antioxidant properties of this refreshing fruit. Watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that contributes to overall health and well-being, and may even help ward off certain diseases. The beauty of watermelon is that it's not just a deliciously sweet snack. It's a health-boosting superhero. By incorporating this fruit into your daily diet, you're giving your body a well-deserved treat, both in taste and in health benefits. Remember, when it comes to watermelon, it's more than just a tasty treat. It's a health-boosting superhero,